What is going on, YouTube? It's Caleb. I'm doing another quick review for survivaljunk.com, and today's another AUDEW product. The folks over at AUDEW were kind enough to send me one of their cordless vacuum cleaners. I'm actually pretty stoked to have this thing because I haven't had a cordless vacuum in years. And these are awesome for cleaning out your car, especially. They can just kind of, you don't have to worry about being able to plug in anywhere, and you just carry it with you and gets into smaller spaces. So that is the vacuum cleaning unit right there. You can push right there and it will pop open so you can empty it out. You just pull out the filter area, empty out your trash, and I imagine you can clean the filter if you need to. And it just pops back on there. It also comes with a battery back here, and this battery actually is removable, so if you want to charge it just by the battery itself, just push that button and it should pop right out. There it goes. So that's the battery unit. It comes with a charger included. Takes a couple hours to charge this thing. It's actually a fairly hefty battery, but simple to use. Just pop it in, and got a power button. I don't know if I want to freak the cat out or not. We'll see. She's definitely like, what the hell was that? Sorry about that. So, we're going to go ahead and get this thing, give it a test here in a few minutes. It also comes with two different accessories. It comes with a brush that you can stick in there for carpets, get rid of pet hair, that kind of thing. And it also has like an extender that you can add on there and get a little bit more reach. Kind of looks like a platypus. And it also comes with a little cleaning brush. So that is basically the AUDEW cordless vacuum, but let's go see how it works. Alright, we are outside of my filthy truck, and we're going to give this thing a whirl. So let's see what happens, huh? So I don't know how well you can see it on the camera there, but just from a couple minutes of vacuuming up in my truck. This actually picked up quite a bit of gunk and little dirt particles, paper, leftover crap that's been on the floor of the truck. So it works. It definitely works. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look. Apologize about the camera work there. So yeah, I mean, definitely got some dirt, so it's not clean like it was when I started. So guys, yep, if you're looking for a nice little cordless vacuum, definitely check out the AUDEW Cordless Vacuum. I'll link to it down in the description box below, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.